Hi, I'm Chris Cardona. There's nothing like a new cruise ship, but when older vessels need updating or repairs, they head into dry dock where the clock is ticking to get them back into service. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of cruise ship construction, repair, and revitalizations on our series Dry Dock Discovery, coming up on Talking Cruise. Thank you for watching Dry Dock Discovery. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.